How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. We're back with another video today. We're out at the Oklahoma Joe Highland right now, and we're going to be doing some smoked chicken today. I got about 3/4 of a chimney of Kingsford original. We're going to be lighting that, and we're going to be putting some Kosmo Q rub on the chicken, so stay tuned. So we're going to be seasoning up this chicken right now. I got half of it in a gallon Ziploc bag and the other half in another gallon Ziploc bag. In advance, I want to apologize for the wind. It's very windy here today. Fall's kind of peeking its head in here a little bit. It's like a high of 65 today, and we got like 30-mile-an-hour winds here all day. So anyhow, we're going to be using Kosmo Q's Dirty Bird and Kosmo Q's Honey Killer Bee, half and half on these. So I'm just going to pour some in here, leave some air in the bags, and just kind of mix it up. Make sure all of it's covered, and add a little more there. We're going to do the same with the other one, with the Honey Killer Bee. Mix that all up, try to get it all covered. If there's any spaces, once you put it on the smoker that isn't covered, you can just add a little more, assuming you got extra. I'm running low on both my bottles now, but I've really liked both of these flavors here. The Killer Bee, a lot of people are afraid of, I believe. They don't like spicy things, but this isn't spicy at all, if you ask me. And it's good on everything. Kosmo even says himself that he named it wrong. He says he named it Dirty Bird, but it's good on everything. And since it's named Dirty Bird, a lot of people think it's only meant for chicken, but you can put it on anything. It's really good. So, all right, time to get this chimney lit. We'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so now, as you can see, we got the chicken inside the cook chamber here. And now we're just going to add a little bit more of this rub to some spots that weren't hit very good when they were in the bags. This is some of the Dirty Bird. That should be good for that. And some of the Honey Killer Bee. This is the Dirty Bird. Okay, I think this is probably going to take a couple hours. We'll bring you guys back here after a while. Okay, so now the chicken is done. We're going to take her off. Okay, so these four here were the honey ones, and these were the Dirty Bird ones. These ones on the left, I rotated them around from side to side. That way they cooked evenly and got done at the same time. So now we're going to let these sit for a little bit, cool down, and we'll give them a taste test. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes since we pulled these off. Should be cooled down a little bit, probably still pretty hot, but I'm anxious to get supper going here, so I'm going to dig into one. This is one of the, I'm not going to do both types. This is the Honey Killer Bee rub on this one here. Skin pulled right off on me. Get a little of the skin and a little of the meat. That's very, very good. I cook chicken all the time. I use either the flip-flop grill or I do this method. For years, I've said that the best way to cook chicken is the flip-flop grill until I started doing it on here. And the Kosmo Q is definitely a difference maker too compared to the rubs that I normally use. I use all different kinds of store-bought stuff, and then, you know, I've subscribed to Kosmo Q's YouTube channel, and I see that he has tons of success with his rubs, so I figured I'd give it a shot, and I've been using this stuff off and on all summer, and I have nothing bad to say about it. It's excellent. So is a Dirty Bird. I don't need to bite it to tell you guys that. I know I've had it several times. This is really, really good though. Super tender, super juicy. It's excellent chicken. If you guys haven't smoked chicken in an offset smoker, it takes a little longer, but the wait is definitely worth it. If you haven't gotten an Oklahoma Joe yet, it's definitely worth the investment. It's like a, what is it, $300 smoker, I think. Something like that. I don't know. It's been a few years since I bought mine, but also definitely worth the investment. Big, heavy-duty cast iron smoker. You won't be disappointed. So anyhow, leave me a like on the video, you guys. If we could get this to, say, 40 likes, we'll keep doing these Oklahoma Joe videos for you guys. We got other grills we can do too. Everybody seems to like them. They're pretty popular videos on my channel here. And subscribe. We're coming out with barbecue videos all the time, fishing, hunting, stuff like that. And comment down below what kind of grill you guys cook on. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.